In this video, I'm gonna get started with the admin area and create the add the page. So in the admin pages.js, I'm gonna create a comment here first of all, and I'm gonna say here get pages index. So later on, this is gonna get all the pages, but for now, it's just gonna do this, and I'm gonna copy that and paste it here. And I'm gonna say here get add page, and the request is gonna be a get request, and the URL is gonna be /add-page. And I'm gonna initialize a few variables here to pass to the view. So I'm gonna have a title that's gonna be an empty string and a slug in content. And now I'm gonna render the view. So the view is gonna be in the views folder in admin folder, and its name is gonna be add_page. So I need to create this folder in the view, and I'm gonna pass these variables, and I'm doing this here because I'm gonna print these variables in the view, because when the form is submitted, if there are validation errors, I want to display the values that were there. So I'm gonna say here title is title, slug is slug, and content is content. And now for this folder and view, in the views folder, I'm gonna create a new folder and call it admin. And I'm gonna copy and paste this index.js in the admin folder and rename it to add_page. So in here now, to actually get the admin header, I can't just say admin header here because I'm in a subfolder here. So I'm gonna have a dash here, and I'm gonna say include and have this in braces. And this is supposed to be basically a string. So I'm gonna go one folder up, _layouts, and admin header. And there shouldn't be a space here between include and the opening brace, and I'm gonna copy this for the footer as well. So this is admin footer. Okay, so if I go now to /admin/pages/add-page, I get here admin area as the title, so I know I'm getting the admin header, so it's all good. So in here I want to have an h2 with a class of page title, which is a bootstrap class, and I'm gonna say here add the page. And I'm gonna have an a here that's gonna point to /admin/pages with a class of btn and btn primary. And I'm gonna say here back to all pages. And I'm gonna have a couple of BRs here. And now the form. So form action is gonna be /admin/pages/add-page, but a post request. So I'm gonna say here method post. And inside of the form, I'm gonna have a div with a class of form-group, which is again just a bootstrap class. And I'm gonna have a label here that says title with a capital T, and an input of type text and the name of title, and the value here I'm gonna print that title variable. So this one basically that I'm passing here. So I'm just gonna print it out like so. And I need to give this a class as well of form-control, which is another bootstrap class, and I'm also gonna give it a placeholder that says title. And I'm gonna copy this twice. So this one is gonna be slug, and the name is gonna be slug, and here as well, and placeholder will say slug as well. And this is gonna be content and a text area, so I get rid of this and have a text area here with the name of content. ID I don't need, Calls and rows are fine, and the value is gonna be content variable, and I'm also gonna give this a class of form control as well. And I'm just missing a button here, so it's gonna say submit, and I'm gonna give it a class of btn and btn-default, like so. So if I refresh this now, here it is. It looks decent. And I'm missing a placeholder for the content. Actually, I'm gonna have it. So placeholder is gonna say content. Okay. And now I just want to modify this admin header a bit and the footer as well. So in admin header, I'm gonna say here CMS shopping cart, and this is gonna link to the root, and I'm also gonna give it a target of _blank, so it opens in a new tab, and I'll get rid of these leads here, and this is gonna say pages, and it's gonna link to /admin/pages. And I'm gonna get rid of this Lee class. And let's see now. Okay, if I click this, I go to the root, and if I click pages, I go to the correct URL, so that's fine. And also in admin footer, I'm just gonna have something here after the closing div. I'm gonna have a few BRs here, and an HR as well, and a P here with the class of text center, which is again a bootstrap class, and I'm gonna have the copyright symbol here, which isn't popping up for some reason. It's this one, and I'm gonna say CMS shopping cart. And let's see if I refresh, and here it is. So it looks a bit more decent now. And that's it for this video, and I'm gonna do the post back in the next video.